My legs ached constantly, but doctors kept dismissing it as stress. For 18 months, I experienced symptoms so strange that 3 different physicians couldn't connect the dots. Muscle twitches, mood swings, bone pain that moved around my body, and crushing fatigue that sleep never fixed. One simple blood test finally revealed the answer. My vitamins level was critically low at 14 nanograms per milliliter. What happened next taught me how this deficiency mimics dozens of other conditions, fooling even experienced doctors. Vitamin isn't actually a vitamin, it's a hormone that affects nearly every cell in your body. Receptors for vitamin exist in your brain, heart, muscles, immune system, and bones. When levels drop too low, systems throughout your body start malfunctioning in ways that seem completely unrelated. Let me share the bizarre symptoms I experience and what research actually reveals about each one. Unexplained muscle twitching drove me crazy for months. My eyelid would spasm for days, then my calf would twitch randomly throughout meetings. According to research in the Journal of Endocrinology, vitamin regulates calcium absorption and neuromuscular function. Deficiency causes erratic nerve signaling that triggers these involuntary movements. I thought I had some neurological disease. Neurologists ran expensive tests finding nothing wrong. Within 6 weeks of supplementation, the twitching stopped completely. Such a simple solution to something that terrified me for so long. Bone pain that migrated confused every doctor I saw. One week my ribs ached, next week my shins hurt, then suddenly my pelvis throbbed. The National Institutes of Health explains vitamin deficiency causes osteomalacia, a softening of bones that creates widespread discomfort. Unlike arthritis, which stays localized, this pain literally moves around. I was tested for fibromyalgia, lupus, even cancer. Everything came back negative while I suffered needlessly. Proper vitamin levels resolved this within 2 months. The relief was absolutely life-changing. Severe mood swings made my family think I was losing my mind. I'd cry over minor inconveniences, then feel irrationally angry hours later. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry shows vitamin receptors exist throughout brain regions controlling mood regulation. Deficiency directly impacts serotonin production and emotional stability. My husband gently suggested therapy, thinking I was depressed. I tried antidepressants that made everything worse with awful side effects. Correcting my vitamin deficiency stabilized my mood naturally without any psychiatric medication. I felt like myself again after months of emotional chaos. Chronic infections plagued me constantly. Every cold became bronchitis, minor cuts took weeks healing, and I caught every virus circulating at work. According to the World Health Organization, vitamin activates immune system cells that fight pathogens. Deficiency leaves you vulnerable to infections that healthy immune systems easily defeat. I missed so much work that my job security was threatened. I felt weak and broken. After reaching optimal vitamin levels, I went 8 months without getting sick once. My immune system finally functioned properly again. Hair loss accelerated suddenly and dramatically. Clumps came out in the shower daily, and my hairline receded noticeably within months. Studies in the journal Dermatology and Therapy show vitamin plays crucial roles in hair follicle cycling. Deficiency pushes follicles prematurely into resting phase, causing excessive shedding. Dermatologists prescribed expensive topical treatments that did absolutely nothing. I watched helplessly as my hair thinned everywhere. 3 months after correcting deficiency, new growth appeared. 6 months later, my hair thickness returned almost completely. Brain fog made me question if I had early dementia at 36 years old. I'd forget conversations from hours earlier, lose words mid-sentence, and struggle concentrating on simple tasks. Research from the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease demonstrates vitamin supports cognitive function and memory formation. Deficiency impairs these processes significantly. I started writing everything down obsessively, terrified of forgetting something critical at work or with my kids. Mental clarity returned gradually as my levels normalized. The fog lifted completely within 3 months of proper supplementation. Restless leg syndrome appeared out of nowhere and destroyed my sleep quality. An irresistible urge to move my legs plagued me every single night. According to research in sleep medicine reviews, vitamin deficiency strongly correlates with restless leg syndrome severity. The exact mechanism isn't fully understood, but supplementation shows remarkable improvement rates.